Hello everyone, we are going to learn about the interior angles of a triangle today. So, we need to start by thinking about how many degrees a triangle has. So we know that there are 180 degrees in a triangle. That means that the sum of the angles in the triangle must be 180 degrees. So if I had a triangle ABC, if I take the measure of angle A, add B, and add C, it should give me a total of 180 degrees. Just like when we do supplementary angles, this is the same exact process, except you have 3 angles now. So you don't even have to think about congruent or supplementary, you're always adding to 180 for this. So when you have a triangle like this, we have angle A, which is 6x. Angle C is 7x. Angle B, it tells you, is 50 degrees. So our goal is to find all the measures of the angles. Well, angle B is 50 degrees. I already know that one. We're going to focus on finding the rest of them. To do that, I need to find x, so I need to set up my equation. I know these are going to equal 180 degrees. I need to take all the angles and add them together. So I'm going to take 6x, I'm going to add angle C, 7x, I'm going to add angle B, 50. And now I'm going to work on solving this. There should be a plus sign right there. So 6x plus 7x is 13x. Bring down my plus 50. Bring down my equals 180. Keep solving. I subtract 50. This goes away. I'm going to bring my 13x down. I have 130 equals 13x. Divide by 13. X is 10. I want to know my angles though. I know B already. I got to find A now. So A, we have 6x, so I'm going to plug 10 in for x. So I'm going to do 6 times 10, which is 60. So A is 60 degrees. C is 7x, so I'm going to do 7 times 10, which is 70. So C is 70 degrees. I'll check to make sure you did this right. 60 plus 50 plus 70 should give me 180. If it doesn't, we did something wrong. If I add them all together, they do in fact equal 180, so I'm all good. On to the next one. So, same idea, we still got a triangle. We still have angles A, B, and C. We need to figure out what the measure of x is so we can figure out all our angle measures. This right here means 90 degrees. So in this case, C is 90 degrees. We got to figure out the rest of them. So I know 2x, I know they all add to 180 degrees, so I got to add them all together. Here's angle B, finally angle C, equals 180 degrees. They're always going to add to 180 for this. I'm going to start solving now. I'm going to combine these. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5 plus 90 is 95. That equals 180. I'm going to subtract 95. Bring my 5x down. 5x is equal to 85. I'm going to divide 85 by 5. X is 17. I'm going to take angle A. I'm going to do 2 times 17. That gives me 34. So A is 34 degrees. Angle B, 3 times 17 plus 5. 3 times 17 is 51. Plus 5 gives me 56. So B is 56 degrees. And we already knew C was 90. So if I do 34 plus 56 plus 90, I should get 180. When I do that on my calculator, I do in fact get that, so we are all good. On to the next one. Number 3. So we've got 3x, 3x, and 3x. Notice all of the angles are the same, so our angle measure should be the same as well. So we can set up our equation, again, equal to 180 degrees. I'm adding all my angles together. I do 3x plus 3x plus 3x. I get 9x equals 180. I divide by 9. X is 20. I'm now going to find my angles. So for A, B, and C, it's all 3 times my x, which is 20. 3 times 20 is 60, so I should get 60 degrees for every single one of these. Okay, I want you to try 4, 5, and 6 on your own. 7 and 8 are your star questions, so give those a shot if you get a chance. So pause the video now, try 4, 5, and 6. Okay, number 4. So I'm going to take all of my angles, add them together, set it equal to 180. 10 plus 2 plus 18 gives me 20x equals 180. Divide by 20. X equals 9. So now I'm going to find each angle. So angle A, I'm going to do 10 times 9. That's 90. Angle B, I'm going to do 8 times 9. That's 72. And angle C, I'm going to do 2 times 9. That's 18. I'm going to do a quick check. I'm going to do 90 plus 72 plus 18. I get 180, so this has to be the right answer. Okay, number 5. Remember, this means 90 degrees. So I'm going to set up my equation. I've got 54x, 36x, and 90. I'm going to add all those together. I'm going to set it equal to 180. Got my line down? So I'm going to add my x's first. 54 plus 36 is 90x. Bring down the rest of my problem. I'm going to subtract 90 from both sides. 90x equals 90. Divide by 90. X is 1. We already knew what B was. It was 90 degrees. If X is 1, then angle A is just 54 times 1, which is 54. So angle A is 54 degrees. Angle C is 36 times 1, which is 36. So angle C is 36 degrees. Quick check, I'm going to do 54 plus 90 plus 36. That did give me 180, so we are good. On to number 6. Okay. So number 6, we're going to set up our equation. We've got 4x plus 9 plus 5x plus 52 plus 20, and that is going to equal 180. I'm going to solve this. So I've got x here, 4x plus 5x is 9x. Got numbers here I'm going to combine. 20 plus 52 is 72, plus 9 is 81, equals 180. I'm going to subtract 81. So 9x equals 180 minus 81 gives me 99. I'm going to divide by 9. X is 11. I knew B was 20 degrees. I'm going to write that one in. A is 4 times 11 plus 9. So that's 44 plus 9, which is 53 degrees. C is 5 times 11 plus 52. So 55 plus 52 gives me 107 degrees. Quick check if we're right. Add all those together. You get 180. So yes, you are correct. Okay, if you want me to check 7 and 8, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.